Oh guys, look how big is this wrap. Look at this beautiful skewer. Buongiorno guys, I'm Max Cinestra, I'm here in Istanbul and today we're going for a street food tour of the city. I'm so hungry. Andiamo. So guys, for the very first time, we are going to feature a Turkish-style breakfast. So we actually had only once, but off camera, and I couldn't wait to share it with you. Today we are at the local shop. Look how beautiful the interior, the chair and everything, the setup. Oh, I can't wait for the breakfast, guys. Oh yes. Oh, look at all these sides. Oh my god, how many types of cheese? So many. Oh, I don't even know where to start from. Actually, I don't know what this is. If you guys have any idea, drop a comment down below. Different types of local cheese. This is very cute. We have something similar in Italy. It's called treccia. Oh, look at the honey, fresh. Jam. It must be berries or maybe rose jam. No, rose is a bit the lighter color. Let's wait for the MENEMEN. Teşekkürler. Oh. Oh, MENEMEN. Oh, look at this beautiful looking MENEMEN with the peppers, tomatoes, of course eggs. Oh, and here this is, my god, so hot. Eggs with the sucuk, sausage. Buon appetito. Let's scoop it up. I'm tearing. It was extremely hot, but so good. I mean, I love the little chunks of sucuk. Be smoky, savory. The eggs still running a bit, so it's so creamy. I love it, and the bread is so fresh, so crunchy. Let me get a piece of. Oh, MENEMEN, yes. Oh. There is meat inside, no? Chunks of meat. I don't know, maybe a bit of cheese, but it's a bit creamy. Oh, I love it. Okay, let me try a bit of the cheese, because I'm a cheese fan. I want to try this one, very interesting. Oh, so hard. Oh, mamma mia. It's a bit sharp. It's extremely hard, chewy, extremely salty. Not my favorite. Okay, let me try the creamy one here. Yes. That's interesting as well. Oh, that's so smooth. Easy cheese that you spread on bread and just eat. But this is nice. What I want to try, and mamma mia. Oh, you would think it's extremely sweet. It's actually not. It's perfect. A bit of crunchiness. I love it. And let me try this one now. I actually don't know what it is. Crumbly a bit. Oh, sweet and a bit bitter. Please let me know the name of it. They also gave us boiled egg. I want to crack it on camera. Let's see if I make a mess. 2 hours later, I'm still here. Oh, done. I love it when it's up boiled, when it's kind of orange. Oh, let me get it with the. It's boiling. Oh, but it's good, huh? Oh, I'm a bit full, huh? I love the service. They're very nice, fast. They're so hospitable. And the interior, you see, beautiful place and local. I still have some room for something else, so let's go. Merhaba. Oh, look at the chicken, beautiful, huh? Marinated chicken. Adana, yes. Oh, it's so big. Look at the wrap. So cool. Oh, it's cut in the lavash. Yes. Oh, more Adana.
Adana.
The best. Urfa. Oh, look at the charcoal.
Bu tavuğlar nasıl oluyor bu?
Bir tanesi ziyan, iki tanesi paket. Evet.
Oh, big.
Yes.
Çok teşekkürler. It's full of juice. Oh guys, look how big is this wrap. Like my arm. Okay, let me just try it out. Oh. Çok güzel. Mamma mia. Yeah, çok güzel. What I love is the bread is so crispy. Oh, packed with meat, tomatoes. I love the bread. Look, a local kebab shop. You got a master grilling meat over charcoal right in front of you. What else do you want? Oh, this is amazing. Kolay gelsin usta. Outside is so cold next to the grill. It's so comforting. Just support the locals, go to local kebab shops. You find really little gems, amazing hospitality, and you'll never get wrong. Teşekkür. Oh guys, how good it was, guys. So local, and then they start playing our videos as well. They offered us another wrap. The hospitality, guys, is unbelievable. Doesn't stop, surprises me, really. Amazing. Let's keep going. Go with 2 knives. Oh. Finely chopped. Oh, pomegranate molasses. Yeah, olive oil. Yes.
Ciğer. Koyun ciğeri.
Oh, you put everything on the grill. Yes. That's lamb liver. Oh, look at the fire. Yes. Oh, he puts the bread. Oh, he finishes the bread on the fire. He seasons first. Oh. Mamma mia, look how beautiful. Yes. Çok teşekkürler usta. Oh, mamma mia, guys, liver is ready. Look at this beautiful skewer. Oh, yes. Look at this gorgeous bread, saturated with the juices. Yes. Okay, let's put some lovely salad in it. A bit of onion with sumac. A bit of grilled onion. Oh yes. Let's wrap it up. And buon appetito. Oh, it's creamy. Look at the charcoal. Look, charred liver. Sometimes the liver is chewy. This melts. What I love that he left us the skewers. Most of the time they just slide them and leave it on the plate. I love eating from the skewers. Oh, pure meat. It's not a bitter roll. There's no odor roll. Creamy. Çok güzel usta. Çok teşekkür ederim. The perfect match is ayran. Oh, this is very smooth. Oh, this is nice. Oh, guys, amazing. What else do you want for lunch? Liver kebabs at the local shop. Perfect. İki tane. Yeah, packet. Oh, we found this gentleman on the street selling some sweets. Oh, teşekkürler.
Al.
Oh, looks so sweet. Çok teşekkürler usta. Oh, this is pistachios or peanut. So cute. I often see videos, someone selling this kind of dessert, but I actually never seen them on the street myself. Ne kadar usta?
20.
Oh, çok teşekkürler. Afiyet olsun. Oh, with the coconut. Teşekkürler. Oh, çok güzel. Çok güzel.
Afiyet olsun.
So moist, sweet. I love the coconut and the crunchiness of the cashew. Wow, I love it. Look. So cool. Çok güzel.
Afiyet olsun.
Çok teşekkürler. Kolay gelsin.
Yemiyor.
Yeah. That's good, huh? Çok lezzetli. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload, and see you on the next video. Ciao!